You know, it's almost like your birthday with a package from China, so let's go. Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's awesome that you're tuning in. So in this video, we are going to take a closer look at this bootleg, but also like custom edition of the Cell Junior. And yeah, the weird thing is like when it comes to these bootlegs, we do get like a weird, very strange like boxes, most of the time with flimsy cardboard. And this one is no exception. So what is custom about it? We're going to get an extra hand at giving you the finger. I think that's kind of funny, and I was really curious to get this one in my collection. Yeah, it would be awesome to get multiple versions of this. So we do have like all kinds of, let's say, versions, and I want to also have the original one with the original hand. So at this point, I don't have, let's say, any other, let's say, custom editions, but I also I just wanted to know for sure, like, is this thing any worth picking up? Because with bootlegs, you never know what you're going to get. So in here we can find this tiny hand, because that's basically what we're going to switch out. So this is the original hand, so you can basically like pull it out, and then, yeah, of course, like pull it out. Yeah, pull it out. Okay, pull it out. Wicked, absolutely. But that was the idea, general idea. So you can see there is a knob on top of it, and that's basically the reason why I cannot get it out so easily. The thing is, like, you do have the option to change some things over here. You can change the arms, so I think it's pretty damn cool. It doesn't like will sit on here simply because I'm using this special yoga mat. This is, yeah, my yoga mat for making reviews, but it will not give enough stability for the figure to stand. And this is basically what happens over here. But again, like, I really like what I'm seeing over here. I love his facial expression with it. And yeah, I must say, they briefly were shown in the Cell Saga and Dragon Ball Z. And it's best, I think it's like unique that they make something awesome with it. But overall, the facial expression is pretty damn good. There is no weird thing going on with the eyes. You do see like some minor things, like minor flaws over here, for example. I think the camera picks it up. That is like kind of glossy. I wouldn't like need to do one like a side by side with the original one if I want to see what are like the basically the differences. I have seen like a couple of these figures and did some, let's say, bootleg comparisons here on the channel. And when you're like putting them side by side, there you're going to see like the biggest difference. Okay, so I basically stopped trying to get this thing out, and the reason why I'm afraid I'm going to basically rip and tear it. You can just feel that they're using kind of soft plastic. And I'm afraid if I'm going to pull it too hard, you will like rip it off. So I'm just going to leave the finger hand, or better like giving you the finger hand, the middle finger hand I want to call it, the custom edition in it, because that's actually the reason I wanted to have this in the collection. Later on I will find some other ones that have like the normal hand attached to it. Okay, so putting this thing on a different surface will give you like a better stability, but I just need to point out that you will still have to be very careful. I will use like these special gummy glues to get this bloody things put on this place. See, this is what I mean. And these are the things I'm trying to say, like poster clay, they also call it. Yeah, these things are very handy for the figures to put them on the position, like this one. Alright, so let's see how that works out. So let's put this thing stable enough on the freaking turning plate. Just to see if we can give it more stability. And here you can see, it works out very well. Long live the poster things. I love these things. Oh man, they are so handy. But overall quality is not bad at all. And I must say that this extra custom edition of giving it the finger is absolutely amazing. But I need to point out that I don't know how the, let's say, original will look. So if I can find an original one, maybe I can do in the future a side-by-side comparison to give you like a great idea. But overall, I have like a very positive, just feeling about this, because it looks very nice. Good facial expression, already mentioned a couple of times before. And his body also looks very nice. I want to thank you for watching. Consider subscribing, hit that little bell, become one of the Wicked family. And it would be great to see you in the next video.